Welcome back to the RV Rundown. I'm your host Barry, and today we're coming at you from the Southern RV Sales Lot to check out the 2021 Alliance Paradigm 385 FL. This is a front living fifth wheel that's filled with full-time amenities, and I'm standing here right at the entrance in the kitchen. Now, as soon as I come through the entrance, we have a half bath on my left. This is accessible with the slides closed. Sink, foot flush toilet, porcelain with a nice fan up above. And then stepping out of that, we're in this beautiful kitchen area with solid surface countertops, GE residential fridges, this massive Insignia oven with the 4-burner top, and my goodness, look how big that is. You could roast a turkey in there. We have an Insignia microwave up here. All of our cabinets are soft close. That's pretty cool. They've given us a big single basin stainless steel sink, and this is prepped for you guys to put in a dishwasher should you choose to do so. Alliance is known for a handful of things. One of the things that they do pretty standard is no carpet and flush floor slides. So if we look into this kitchen table slide here, you'll notice that it has a flush floor with no carpet. So if you have pets, there's no dander to collect, and it's very easy to clean. They're big on storage and storage features. Even places like the chairs have storage. There's hidden everywhere throughout this unit. It is designed to be full-time use, so all sorts of storage is necessary in that instance. Let's pop up into the front. As we walk onto the upper deck here, what we see is that we're in this big living space. Now, I'm 6'3". I can walk under the AC without hitting my head, so that's great. In here though, what we notice is that we have these 3 sofas, theater seating across from our big old flat screen TV. That's a smart TV, which is pretty cool. And then these 2 sofas that are at my left and my right are also trifolds, so they can pull out and add additional sleeping space in this room. We've got a great built-in head unit, and then down low, we were talking about storage earlier. This is something that's kind of new. They usually have a like a latch mechanism, but here we've got some little rubber bandy type things. This pulls out, and you can see that we've got even more storage hiding in that dead space behind our fireplace. That's pretty slick. Now, I mentioned that I can walk under this AC pretty easily, but what I didn't mention is that in this unit, we have 3 air conditioners. They're all high efficiency airs, and all 3 can be run on 50 amp service. 2 can be run on 30 amp service. That's pretty slick if you ask me. Stepping on up into the bedroom, we pass our control panel. And then this bedroom in the 385 FL that's back here in the rear has a king bed on a slide. Again, no lack of storage, and the fact that we have power in the form of USB on both sides and plugs, and even a space for perhaps a CPAP machine, or I can think of a handful of other reasons that you could have that little cubby up there. It's pretty nice. There's storage up under the bed, and then on this side of the bedroom, we have a nice big set of chest of drawers, a closet for hanging things, which is pretty slick, and another LG Smart TV up on the wall. I don't think I mentioned it earlier, but all of our lights are dimmable, which is a pretty cool feature. And as I back up even further, we come into the master bathroom. This is a really slick bathroom, guys. They have a big countertop around that sink. It's epoxy poured that helps save on weight a little bit compared to solid surface. By me, we have the toilet, it's porcelain and foot flush, and our shower, which has a nice large enclosure and a teak seat. I dig on that a lot. Again, harping more on storage, this thing doesn't lack it. This closet could be used as a hanging closet, or we could set up a full-sized washer dryer. That's pretty slick if you ask me. Not to mention, we have all sorts of cabinet and drawer space to my right as well. Guys, before we get going, there's one more thing I want to check out, which is outside. Again, it's storage related. Who would have thought? So let's go check it out. outside, we see that the front pass-through storage has been cut down a little bit by that front deck being pushed up as far as it is by the way the kitchen is designed. So we've eliminated a little bit of that pass-through storage, but Alliance has more than made up for it by adding to the back. If you remember, we had to step up when we went into the bedroom, and they've given us all of that back in the way of storage that passes all the way through, guys. Now, this has power in there as well, so you do have the option of hooking up a TV, and they've given us this super great tray which can hold like 300 plus pounds. That's pretty slick, and it comes way out, so it's easy to operate. And it has this cool little click latch, and you can see all the way across that there's even more open space all the way down past that. Guys, if you want to see this for yourself in person, please come on down to Southern RV in McDonough, Georgia. We're right off I-75. Give us a call, 770-477-0552, or visit us online at southernrv.com. Until next time, happy RVing.